It is the 14th of November, year of our Lord 2025, in Fullerton, California, don't you know? And it's pissing it down. Not very often we have to find an umbrella. You'll always carry an umbrella. And I did think of something I always carried here, but I can't remember what the fuck it was. Sunglasses. And then we're gonna have to have both. Fucking hell, man. Ah, shut up. Fucking train. He's pretty Santa fucking Claus up. A giant Santa Claus. Where's he put his candy cane? Can't see out through this, it's fucking pissing it down. It's pitch black. Pitch black at fucking 10 to 5 or whatever the fuck it is. That's so fucking weird. The rain in Spain has moved to California. The rain in Spain has moved to California. So you don't get that here in England. Getting it raining on Santa's just fucking not cricket at all, is it? It's like, it's a day. What Joe's been up to. I'm surprised he's not come out already. Absolutely bloody marvellous. Good! Oh, it's good. Oh, it's big, but it's wet. Goodbye.